You've just had an amazing idea for a business, or you're a freelancer ready to go solo. But then comes the paperwork, the admin, and the dreaded question, how long is this all going to take? Specifically, if you're looking to open a business account with Tide, how long until you're actually up and running? The good news is, you're not dealing with the traditional bank process that can drag on for weeks. Tide has built its entire platform around speed and simplicity, and that's exactly what you get when you apply for an account. For most people, the process is incredibly fast. We're talking minutes. In fact, Tide states that over 50% of new members get their accounts set up and approved in just 10 minutes. You download the app, provide some basic personal and business details, and verify your identity with a quick photo of your ID and a selfie. That's it. Once you're approved, you instantly receive a UK sort code and account number, which means you can start receiving payments right away. Your physical Tide card will then arrive in the post a few days later. Now, while many people experience this lightning-fast setup, there are a few exceptions. If your business is more complex, or if you're a limited company, the process might take a little longer. In these cases, it could be up to 48 hours for your account to be fully approved, as Tide might need to do some extra checks. So, to recap, most of the time, you can open a Tide account in just minutes. It's a game changer for anyone who needs to hit the ground running without getting bogged down by endless paperwork. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.